Presentation software. It's a presentation. A presentation is a series of slides that viewed one after another. It is a collection of electronic slides that can have text, picture, sound and video that are delivered to an audience. And by using this presentation, thus we can give information to the audience as well as communicate with the audience in an attractive way. What are slide? Slide contains the information that we want to communicate to our audience. So this information includes the text, pictures, video, chart, sound and many more. Component of PowerPoint window. There are different components of the PowerPoint window. So you can see those are quick access toolbar, tabs, title bar, Microsoft Office button, ruler, ribbon, slide, placeholder, status bar, notes, view button and the zoom. Formatting text. To format the text, we have to change the font type, size or the color of the text. So let's see the step. So first we have to select the text. Then we'll choose the Home tab. After that, we can choose any of the option from the font group. So whichever the option we want to change. If you want to change color, we'll click on the A underlined with the red color. You can see if you want to do bold, then B, italic, then I. If you want to underline, U. So these are the different setting of the font group. We add background to a slide. We add background to a slide because this background gives an attractive look to the presentation. But we should remember some point while giving the background. That is, it can either be dark or the light, but there should be a significant contrast between the background and the foreground. So if the background is dark, so the foreground should be light, or if the background is light, the foreground should be dark. So to add the background, we should be sure to use a color that complement your background. So for example, again I say, if the background is dark, so the foreground should be light. If the background is light, the foreground should be dark, so that the each and everything should be promptly visible to the audience. So the step to add background. So first step, we'll click on the Design tab on the ribbon. Then step 2, we'll click on the Background Style button in the background group. Then there are different types of background. You can see it will be displayed. There are scroll bar which will also help you to scroll, and there are many other background. Then we'll select the background. When you select the background, you can see the background got applied on the slide. Theme. Theme is a design template that can be applied to an entire presentation. A theme is a set of color, font and a special effect. So theme applied to a slide makes the presentation uniform and eye-catching, that it makes it more attractive and more beautiful. Step to apply theme to presentation. First of all, we'll click on the Design tab. Then we'll click on any of the theme from the theme group. We can also give theme to a selected slide. So to give theme to a selected slide, the first step is we have to hold the control key of our keyboard with one hand and click the slide to be selected on which we are going to give the theme. Then we'll click on the design tab. Then we'll give a right click, and we'll see a menu will appear, and from that menu we'll select the apply to a selected slide from the shortcut menu that appear, and then you can see the particular theme is been applied to that particular slide. Now let's learn how to add bullet to a text. To add bullet to a text, we add different types of bullets. Sometimes we add some symbols, sometimes we add numbers, like in your question papers and all, you can see there are numbers. Sometimes A, B, C, D written, 1, 2, 3, 4 is written, and sometimes we can also use the picture as a bullet. So first let's see how to use the bullet. So first step is we'll select the text where the bullet is to be added. Then we'll click on the home tab. After clicking on the home tab, we'll click on the down arrow beside the bullet button and select any bullet style. So you can see there are different bullet style, whichever you want, just click on that and that bullet will get applied to the text. If you want to create a number list, we have to first select the text that has to be numbered, then click on the home tab, then click on the down arrow beside the numbering button and select any numbering style from the drop down, and then you can see the numbers are applied on the text. Now let's see how to add picture as a bullet. So the same thing, the first we'll select the text where the bullet is to be added, then we'll click on the home tab, then we'll click on the down arrow beside the bullet button. The down you can see there written bullet and numbering, we'll click on that bullet and numbering option. When we'll click on the bullet and numbering option, so the bullet and numbering dialog box will appear. So we'll click there on the picture tab. When we'll click on the picture tab, the picture bullet will appear. There are different types of picture bullet. Whichever the picture you want, you just click on that and click OK. You can select that picture and click on OK. So when we'll click on OK, you can see the picture bullet are applied on the selected text.